Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Children. We're here at Bio 2024 in San Diego, and I'm delighted to join by Marc Jacob from SK Pharmteco, and he's going to tell us a bit more about SK Pharmteco and their involvement within peptides and oligonucleotides, and also what makes them different. So first of all, Marc, it's lovely to meet you. How are you?
I'm doing great today. Happy to be here in San Diego.
Great. And how has the show gone so far?
Wonderful. Company from all over the world. We have a great location. Very excited to be here.
Brilliant. Now, for people not familiar with SK Pharmteco, can you give me a quick overview of the business and who you are and what you do?
Yeah, SK Pharmteco is a CDMO. We have several modalities, so we can do small molecule. It's our historical, our history. We have done a lot of small molecule, pharmaceutical ingredients.
Sure.
And then we recently invested in cell and gene therapy. And the third business unit is our analytical services. Okay, we have 8 manufacturing sites across the globe: Korea, Europe with France and Ireland, and 4 different locations in the United States: Philadelphia, Virginia, Texas, and California, where we have our Center of Excellence for R&D manufacturing of small molecules.
Brilliant. Now, I know you wanted to talk about the work you're doing with oligonucleotides and peptides. And can you tell me more about the work you do in that space?
Yeah, so we, for almost 20 years, our Korean facility actually was involved in the manufacturing of protected amino acid back in the day when Fuséon was developed by Roche in Colorado.
Right. So
we were a major producer of FMOC protected amino acid. And with the recent increase need for GLP-1 drug for obesity indication, we see an increased demand in FMOC amino acid. And in the facility in Korea, we can produce metric ton of FMOC amino acid and complex peptide building block. We also can provide solution phase manufacturing of peptides in Korea as well as in United States. So in United States, especially in California, we have also done large-scale manufacturing of phosphoramidate, which are critical building block for oligonucleotides.
Right.
And that comes with the experience we have in chiral synthesis, chiral separation, using chromatography. So we have a very long experience in the manufacturing of chiral pharmaceutical ingredients.
Brilliant.
And finally, we recently invested in a lab-scale oligo synthesizer, so we can produce clinical batch of oligonucleotide at our facility in California, next to San Francisco.
Brilliant.
And I would say last thing is, in terms of analytical services, we also can do a lot of characterization, method development for the analysis of those pharmaceutical ingredients that we produce.
That's brilliant.
All over the world.
Well, thank you for sharing that with me, Marc. Now, final question for you. That all sounds fantastic, but what makes SK Pharmteco unique and different to other CDMOs?
Yeah, I think we have facility, in Korea, Europe, and US. So with the current geopolitical climate, I think we are well positioned. We also have a large-scale manufacturing capability in those countries, but I think our chemical process development team is amazing. We are one of the most, I would say, knowledgeable in terms of the development of chemical manufacturing process, and I think that's one of our strengths. And we, of course, try to deliver what we promise to our customer on time. Brilliant.
Well, thank you for sharing that, Marc. So there you go, viewers. If you'd like to learn more about SK Pharmteco and the services they provide, then come to the booth here at Bio. But if you can't do that, then you can meet them at many other events, and of course follow them on LinkedIn and go to their website, details above. So Marc, thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of the time at Bio. And viewers, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you.